I don't know why as Zimbabweans sometimes we prefer to scream and yell and rant at each other instead of sitting down in private rooms, sharpen each other's minds, share good ideas, hold hands and share a meal and hug each other.
Yes.
And build things that last, that serve our people, and that build a lasting legacy for ourselves.
Yes.
It seems like at every given time, one wants to speak in a manner that shows that is better than the rest. But building a nation is going to need collective effort. No single human being can do that alone. Maybe Mr. Tagwirei doesn't have the best people around him to advise him. He could make a difference. He can do things that make actually the people of Zimbabwe to love him as a patriot in his own country.
Yes.
Whether or not he affiliates with ZANU-PF, that's not what I want to address today. I just wanted to address the desecration of an already desecrated institution,
yes,
the SDA Church. Saka from today onwards, ndikasangana na pastor woku SDA, ndenda kuvamhurisa nichiti vakaguta maswera sei. iri kugutsa here mari yezanu. Handiziva kuti Mwari anozvigamuchira here kuti upfugame uchinamata kuna Mwari wakaguta mari yezanu. Iri kutorwa kunyika iri kubleeda sezvakaita nyika yedu. Our nation is bleeding.
yes.
If you are a son of God, the Holy Spirit must tell you the do's and the don'ts.
Yes.
Yes. People are dying at Parenyatwa unattended. How do you feel driving a brand new car when you know that this man could have bought hospital supplies and taken care of actual people that are suffering? How can you call that a miracle and a testimony towards God? I hope nobody feels insulted with what I've said, because that is not what I intended to do. If we have a man or a woman in our church who has all that money, as spiritual guides, we can call him and say, look, if you want to help people, we can give you some advice.
Yes.
You can do this and that and that. That is actually something that causes real impact in the community.
Yes.
Motkari, haisi philanthropy. There is no Zimbabwean who needs a donation of a car.
Yes.
Zimbabweans need clean water.
Yes.
Zimbabweans need proper roads. Zimbabweans need functioning hospitals.
Yes.
Zimbabweans need affordable education.
Yes.
Zimbabweans need decent salaries for civil servants.
Yes.
Zimbabweans need competent and just criminal justice system. Zimbabweans, they need their rights to be respected, especially by the state. Nobody needs a car in Zimbabwe. Anybody who says I need a car is lying to you. He doesn't know the definition of the word need. Hapana munhu ane need nemota. Motor is a want, it's not a need. Nobody will die because they are not driving.
Yes, true.
No. A car is not a need. A car is a want. Anybody who is receiving a car, you must understand that those who are donating cars to you are branding you a fool by the car they are giving you.
Yes.
I am a fool. I rent a 2-bedroom apartment, but I'm parking a $50,000 car. I'm an idiot. That's what it means. I don't have a medical aid, but I'm driving a $60,000 car. I'm an idiot. That's what it means. You don't need a car for a donation. You don't need a car. They are treating us as idiots who don't know what we need. And they are using our money, they are stealing from the mines.
Yes.
That we are thanking individuals for giving us crumbs that are falling from the table. After 5 years from now, everybody's lips will be defiled in the eyes of God. We will all have eaten corrupt food from the table of treachery, from the table of wickedness. Zvavari kuita izvi vari kutibatisa moto wembavha.
Yes.
Varida kuti munhu wese asvibe maoko ake. Pashayiwe ane moral high ground yekutaura kuti zviri wrong. Because kana wadya hauchagona kuti zviri wrong. Wakungoti 2030 kana kuti 2028 kana kuti ED huchi. That is the plan. Dayanga iri crime tese mafingerprints edu anenge asviba. We are being forced by poverty to be complicit in the plundering of natural resources by the political elites because we are receiving donations from ill-gotten wealth, stolen natural national resources.
Yes.
It is going to take a very high standard of personal discipline to say no to that.